Right, I'm feeling a lot better this week, but my voice still isn't totally back, so bear with me. You might remember last summertime I did a review of the KNOX Haydon Jacket, and there's a little bit of a story behind that. Now, I'd been bugging KNOX for weeks to allow me to review some of their products, and they'd finally agreed, I think just to shut me up and get me out of the hair. And they suggested the KNOX Haydon Jacket. Now, I had a look at the photograph on their website, and I have to say that it didn't really light my candle. It's a modern take on the traditional denim jacket, and I've never really been one for denim jackets. They're not my sort of thing. So instead, I managed to persuade them to allow me to do the Haydon. Now, a few weeks later, I was in one of my local motorbike apparel shops, and the KNOX stand caught my eye, which, to be honest, it never fails to do. I'm not quite sure what it is about their stands, but they do stand out from the best of the rest as being something a little bit special. Now, my eye immediately went to the Haydon Jacket, and I had some time to kill, so I tried one on, and actually, I was really impressed. This jacket's part of the KNOX Studio collection, a collection of bike gear that looks just as good off the bike as it does on the bike, and this is a reboot of the classic denim jacket. The big in-your-face patch breast pockets are gone, in place of pockets that are just as useful but a little bit more subtle. It has a classic workwear look and feel to it, stylish but rugged and dependable. It's made from 12-ounce Cordura denim, which also has a water-repellent finish. And for riding safety, it features Kevlar patches over the back shoulders and the elbows. It's part of the unique KNOX layering system in that it can be worn casually without armour, but instead of having fiddly pockets and Velcro fasteners to pull your armour out and put it back in, the armour comes separately in what KNOX call an action vest, which will fit underneath. To accommodate this so that you've got a good tailored fit with or without armour, KNOX have incorporated their dual fit system, something you'll see throughout their range of jackets. And this is basically a zipped gusset, which runs from the cuff all the way along the outside of the jacket right down to the hem of the jacket on either side, and it allows you to let the jacket out by about 2 inches. You can keep it zipped up while you're not wearing armour, and then just unzip it when you want to wear an action vest underneath. Again, it's another innovation that is unique to KNOX. The hem is further adjustable with a traditional press stud tab. The 2 breast pockets are spacious. You can easily fit your wallet or a large mobile phone with ease. And it also has 2 hip pockets with a zipper to stop the contents falling out while you're riding. The jacket comes complete with a fleece liner, something KNOX describe as a false shearling liner. It doesn't have any arms, it's a waistcoat, and it easily zips out for those warmer days where you don't want to use it. This all fits together to create a really versatile jacket. A jacket that'll serve you well through the cooler spring months, right through the summer and into the autumn. Now, despite its high-tech construction, this Cordura denim does look and feel very much like a slightly washed denim, and at 12 ounces it's got a good weight to it. KNOX haven't gone overboard with trademarks and logos on the exterior of the jacket, with just a little bit of KNOX detailing on the press studs. And the only thing that actually belies that this is a bike jacket are pleats at the back of the shoulders, which allow you to reach forward comfortably for your handlebars. Now, I'm a borderline large, extra large. More often than not, I'm a large. And part of the appeal of KNOX clothing is the fitted, tailored cut. To that end, I would recommend with any of the KNOX clothing range, especially if you fit into the borderline with sizes, to go for the size up from what you would normally choose and ensure a good, comfortable, tailored fit. Like I said earlier, I didn't really think I liked this jacket initially, and it's one of those items that's better in the flesh than when you're just looking at it on a computer screen. It's a nice, comfortable, casual summer jacket, and I do believe this will be my jacket of choice for summer 2019. As usual, I will leave a link to KNOX's webpage in the video description down below. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you have, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll be back on Friday, so until then, ride safely and I'll see you soon.